Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today, I'm making a very delicious and easy cabbage or vegetable stew that is packed with flavor and so colorful. This recipe is perfect for rice, yam, potatoes, boiled plantain, or even bread. If you love quick and tasty homemade meals, then you are definitely going to enjoy this one. So all you have to do is to wear your apron and let's start cooking. I started by heating up some oil in my pan on medium heat. Once the oil became nice and hot, I added my chopped onions. Now I'm going to fry the onions for a few minutes until they become soft and fragrant. Next, I added my garlic and ginger paste. I stirred everything together very well so all the flavors combine perfectly. At this point, your kitchen should already be smelling so good. Moving forward, I'm adding my tomato paste. The tomato paste gives the stew a rich taste and also helps create that beautiful deep color we all love. I'll stir everything together nicely so the tomato paste blends perfectly with the onions, garlic, and ginger. After stirring, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook really well. This step is very important because we want the tomato paste to lose that raw taste completely. All right, everyone, we are back. The tomato base has cooked beautifully, so now I'm going to give everything a quick stir very well because we don't want the bottom of the stew to burn and we don't want that. Okay, so moving forward, I'm going to add in my blended pepper and onions mixture. This is what gives the stew that rich homemade Ghana flavor and a little heat. I'll stir everything together very well until nicely combined. And if today being your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So if this is what you're looking for, kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much. Now I'm covering it again and allowing it to cook properly until it's nice and ready. So as the stew continues to cook, all the flavors slowly come together beautifully. Now the stew is frying really well. Look at that rich color and beautiful texture. At this point, I'm giving it another good stir so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. I'll cover it once again and allow it to fry properly because this stage is what really develops the flavor of the stew. You want the oil and tomatoes to cook together perfectly until the stew becomes rich, thick, and flavorful, just the way you are seeing on your screens right now. All right, everyone, we are back again and the stew has fried perfectly well. Now I'm adding my protein of choice, which is sausage and mackerel in tomato sauce. This combination adds so much flavor and makes the stew even more delicious and satisfying. Next comes my seasoning. I'm adding aroma stew seasoning and aroma shrimp seasoning. These seasonings add such an amazing taste to the stew and really enhance all the flavors beautifully. I also add some salt to taste. Now stir everything together very well so every ingredient is coated nicely in the stew. After stirring, I'm going to cover it and allow everything to cook together for a few more minutes. Alright, so to my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here, You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. All right, so at this point, the stew smells absolutely incredible. Next, I'm proceeding to add my vegetables. You can also feel free to use any vegetable of your choice and you are good to go. So let's add in some carrots, cucumber, chopped onions, and also some green pepper, and lastly my cabbage. I'll stir everything together very nicely until everything combines well. I love how colorful and fresh the vegetables make the stew look. After mixing everything together, I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. But before that, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. All right, as I said, the stew looks so colorful and it looks very appetizing. So you don't want to overcook the vegetables because we still want that slight crunch and freshness, since I love that. But if you don't want to, if you don't want any crunch in your vegetable stew, just allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and you are good to go. But approximately 5 minutes should be okay. So now look at how beautiful our vegetable stew looks. The colors are vibrant, the texture is perfect, and the stew smells absolutely amazing. Everything came together so beautifully, and trust me, this tastes even better than it looks. This cabbage vegetable stew pairs perfectly with rice, yam, boiled plantain, potatoes, and so much more. Simple ingredients, but packed with so much flavor. You will love it, so all you have to do is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching and cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cabbage vegetable stew. If you tried this recipe at home, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
From Ghana's kitchen full of love, blessings shining from above.